billion. How many? $740 billion. Okay? So this way economic effect will be there. Yes, that is aligned nations, America and that all. Next, property was the same amount was destroyed. Those who were having property was also destroyed due to the World War. England lost its property worth 2000 crore and Germany unimaginable. England how many? 2000 crore and Germany which is not imaginable. That much property was lost. These nations involved in the war gave prime importance to the production of arms and ammunition, then to the cost of other basic necessities. Basic necessities means they were not focusing on food, shelter and clothing. Yes, they were focusing only on arms, that is weapons and that all. Okay. The nation involved in the war gave, as a result, there arose a dire scarcity of things for basic needs. Production reduced, inflation increased, and people struggled for livelihood. After the World War completed, now what will be the focus? Only of employment and of the money, basic necessities. They have lost their basic necessities. Yes, which days came? Inflation, price rise started, and this way it affected. Got it? All this led to the scarcity of necessary and basic goods in the market, and people were ruined economically. This led to economic depression in the world. This way they became depressed that now how we will earn the money, and the world economic and politics changed greatly. Clear? Next is communism in China. After the Russian Revolution, we have studied Russian Revolution in second chapter. Yes, so it was formed in Russia. It achieved much progress. Many nations got impressed by the ways Russia has adopted which government, that is communist government. China was one of them that it also started, and this way Japan became quite weak after the Second World War. Hence, its control it had over China also weakened. So now Japan became weak, China also became weak, and they were only seeing the Russian Revolution which was formed by Russia, and they were impressed. Taking advantage of this, in 1949, Chinese leader Mao Zedong established communist rule in China. So he has also started which group, that is communist group in China. And last is Cold War. Last is Cold War. After the World War II, the world again divided into two groups. After completion of World War II, two groups were divided. First was superpower America, and other side it is Russia. During this war, both these nations were friends, but before that they were friends. Now they became enemies. Several differences of opinions stopped between them, and they went on increasing. America followed democratic while Russia followed communist ideology. Both these nations became rivals and fierce attacked opposite groups. Their mind changed because one is following democratic, one is following communist group. Yes, so due to this it led to the Cold War. Though these groups did not fight, there were also always a war of words, thoughts and opinions between them. This situation wherein the two groups did not actually fight, but warlike enmity existed in their mind was known as Cold War. Means they have not fight, they have not thrown bomb on each other and fought, but only their mind while opposite. Due to that, it arose that we will fight, but it stopped. That's why it is known as Cold War. At many instances, the world thought the Cold War might turn into the Third World War, but thankfully it didn't. Okay, so it didn't started Cold War, and then after the United Nations was started, which we have studied in 8th standard. So for today, we will keep till here, and from tomorrow we will be starting with United Nations. For that, you have studied in 8th standard? 11th chapter.